In this video, you will learn exactly how to set up a Postback URL for a Clickbank offer in order to get the most accurate tracking data for your campaign. We're going to go over to ClickMagick, click on Affiliate Links, and right here you're going to hit Tools, click on Affiliate Tools, and click on Postback URL, and click on Postback URL Tool. And right here you will search for Clickbank. And this is the link you will use as a global Postback URL on Clickbank. So it will track all of the Clickbank offers using this link. Now let's hop back over to Clickbank. And right here you will click on Integration, click on Postback/Pixels. And right here you're going to click on Add Integration. At the time of making this video, they're still working on adding those integrations with just a simple mouse click, but we can do this manually. Click on Custom Postback and Pixel, and here just name it. Let's just name it to ClickMagick. We are an affiliate, and we're using server-to-server Postback. And for the event types, we're going to check the boxes for all three: initial order, form impression, initial purchase, and upsell. So this is the link that is set for global tracking for all of the affiliate offers on Clickbank that you would send traffic to. And you can also toggle this button here to give you more tagging options to tag for initial order form, initial purchase, or upsell purchase. But for now, I'm going to just leave it blank. And down here, hit Save. Now our Postback tracking link has been created on our Clickbank account. Now, let's go back to our affiliate marketplace, grab a raw hop link. So for this example, we're going to just go with this one right here. Hit Continue, and let's copy the raw hop link. And now let's hop back over to ClickMagick. We're going to click on Tracking Link, click on New Link, and here we're going to just name it. And here in the primary URL, you will paste in the hop link that you got from Clickbank. And now click on the wrench tool and click on Add Affiliate Click ID Parameter. And now here it's going to give you a list of affiliate network. In this case, we're selecting Clickbank Affiliate. And this will add a token at the end of the URL to track that specific offer. This one right here, the tracking link, will receive all the clicks, and it's going to track all the clicks, all the traffic going in, and all the conversion data. Now let's create the tracking link to see if it works. Now right here we're going to copy the URL and go up to and load up the page. It's going to take us to the landing page for this offer. Now let's go back to ClickMagick, and we're going to refresh the page, and you will notice that we have received one unique click. If you made a sale, this number will appear right here where it says sales. And this is exactly how easy it is to create a Postback URL for a Clickbank offer. Now, in order to make it more brandable, instead of just www.clickmagick.com, we can actually set up a custom domain, which I have created another video, which you can watch it right here.